Okay, finally, we are going to add our important documents to our teacher page. So, important documents would be your syllabi, it would be your materials list, it would be maybe a field trip forms, documents that you want parents and students to have access to. Um, so, for me, what we just went through in the last video was adding links, and you'll notice over here these links there's a little world for World Wide Web to the link. I in my links box have included quote unquote links to my syllabi, and for me, I have all of these tasks that students need to complete, and I thought it would be valuable for parents to have access to those as well as students. So, as an example, if you click on this skills tasks link, quote unquote, it takes you to an important document that I've embedded in my teacher page. So this is a list of all the things that students need to do in order to complete the skills part of their class. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to put those important documents into your teacher page. So I've saved one. If we go down here to add a resource, I'm going to add a file. When my Moodle interface comes up, I'm going to name that file. In this case, it's, for me, it's labor tasks. You would call this syllabus, say Language Arts 2 syllabus, or digital photography syllabus, or whatever syllabus you're uploading. Again, I put the same thing in the description. Now we get to this content box, which is new for our Moodle interface. Last time it was an external URL, now it's a content. I just simply click add, make sure that it's over here on upload a file, go over here to browse, and find the file that I want. So this just brings up your Windows Explorer window where you can search all of your documents on your computer. So mine's in social studies, and I go down here to task lists, and I am looking for number 15, labor tasks. So I click on that, and I've saved these as PDFs so that a student can print it, download it, and not alter it. These are things that I'm sure are completed as they should be, not necessarily a work in progress. For works in progress, we'll work on that later. You may want to save it to the internet, and then as you update it and continue to save it, that will be updated on the internet, and then students can link to that updated file. But if you have something that you're sure is the way that it should be, it's set and ready to go for that semester, save it as a PDF. I click open, or you click open, and it shows you where that file is. Then you upload that file. It takes the server a little bit of time to get it in there, but now you'll see that this PDF is loaded here. For these files, I like to embed, whereas with the links, I did the pop-up. I like to do embed for this stuff. Again, it doesn't matter. Display the name or the description. The rest of everything else we don't touch because we don't need to. Save and return to course, and you'll see that it puts it at the bottom of this whole box. So I've got labor tasks down here at the bottom. I put it in this resources link, but I simply click on this move and drag and drop it where I want it to be, right there. At the bottom of my list, and I now have this labor tasks document. So a student or a parent could click on it, and they would get this document that they can either print or save, share, all that stuff. But this is kind of the beauty of the embed feature, is that it brings it right up here and students can print it from this page. So that is adding an important document. It could be whatever you like, and you can put it wherever you want, depending on what it is. So syllabus might go under courses, and you might even include a label that said syllabi and included all your syllabus. It may be under links, and in courses you may have a whole separate category called materials list by course, and you could have a list of your course material lists. But it's a pretty simple task. You just again go to that down here to the add a resource, and that would be a file. So you'll notice in all of these tutorials we haven't done anything with add an activity. It's not really necessary for your teacher page. When you're ready to start putting your classes online, then you may want to add an activity to your classes. You may, for a lot of classes, may just have lectures and handouts and things like that, and so you would still just be in this add a resource area. So that's adding an important document, and if you have any questions about any of these things, talk to myself or Diane or Jeff. Matt, Kevin are pretty familiar with Moodle and how to make all this stuff work for you. So there's my almost completed teacher page, all of the tier 1 information that I need, and we will go from there. Keep your eyes open for like a Moodle course creation class or tutorial that we'll create and give you guys access to when it's up and ready. So good luck, and I hope that you get your tier 1 done, and call me or email me with any questions. Thanks.